If grit is the courage to start, then Moxie is what keeps you going after things don't go as planned. A lot of girls, they misunderstand Moxie. They think it means being loud or bold or fearless, and that is not what it is. No. Hi, I am Cheryl, and I am the woman I needed when I was a young girl, and the author of Mix, Stir, Rise, A Girl's Recipe for Confidence That Grows With Her. In the confidence recipe, Moxie is the ingredient that shows up after the first attempt, especially when that attempt doesn't work. And here's the part most girls get wrong. Failure it's not a step backwards. No. In this recipe, a failure is information. It's proof that you tried. It's evidence that something is actually happening. When you fail and you keep going, you're not falling behind. You're actually moving closer. That mindset is magic, and that is Moxie. Moxie is the decision to get back up, adjust, and keep going, even when it's uncomfortable, especially when it's uncomfortable or discouraging or embarrassing. But there's another part of Moxie that matters just as much. Moxie means staying true to who you are while you keep going. I mean, it is so easy to lose yourself when things get hard, or to change who you are just to make the struggle stop, or to become someone else to get approval or avoid criticism. Moxie, it resists that. In the recipe, Moxie is the ingredients that holds your identity steady while the process gets messy, and it will get messy. You don't quit, you don't pretend, and you do not abandon yourself. You keep going as you. When grit gets you started, Moxie keeps you going long enough to make something happen and to keep you going. So, if this way of thinking about confidence makes sense to you, the next step is seeing how each ingredient works. You can explore grit, Moxie, and critical thinking inside the Confidence Project on my YouTube channel.